Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome. And this is going to work for any PC or laptop that you're currently using. Right, so to do that, you want to go ahead and click three dots on the upper right hand side within the Google Chrome and go to the settings. On the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on privacy and security and click on the site settings at the bottom there. Now you want to scroll down guys under this section and you want to go to the content section and look for pop-up and redirects. So once you click on that, ensure that the option that you select is that first one here under the default behavior where it says site can send pop-up and redirects, right? So you want to go ahead and ensure that you have that enabled, right? So that's pretty much what you have to do. So if you have any sites here, you can easily go ahead and remove them. I also want to mention as well that if you have any extensions in Chrome, in Google, so once in Chrome, simple click on the three that's on the upper right hand side and go down to extensions and simple click and manage extensions. If you have any ad blocker extension, you can simply go ahead and try to remove those ads extensions that you have in Chrome as well, right? So that's pretty much it guys, very easy and very simple.